Hello everyone, this is Shelly and in today's video I'm going to share the beginner's anti-aging skincare routine with mostly minimalist skincare products and few Korean skincare products here and there. And as we age, our skin loses the ability to fight the free radical damage and it takes ages to heal itself. Due to all this reason, our skin looks dull, tired, saggy, it loses the elasticity and we also get fine lines, wrinkles and our pores also look large. So the routine that I am about to share in today's video will help you in achieving the bright skin, hydrated and nourished skin, strengthen skin barrier, get smooth and plump skin, reduce the fine line and also reduce the large pores.
So after I clean my face with plain water, I go ahead and use the I'm From Rice toner. And I love this toner because it is rich in antioxidants, so it helps in fighting the free radical damage and it also hydrates skin and repair the skin barrier. So altogether it gives the hydrated, dewy and bright skin. And then I use the Minimalist Vitamin C Serum, and this serum helps in fighting the free radical damage. It brightens the skin and also firms the skin and therefore reduces the large pores in matured skin.
So if you have watched my older videos, you must have seen me saying that I avoid using pure vitamin C in the daytime and my opinion is still the same. My opinion has not changed. But I'm using this minimalist vitamin C in the daytime because this is not a pure vitamin C. They have used the ethyl ascorbic acid, which is a vitamin C derivative, and so this is why the minimalist vitamin C is safe to use both in the day and night routine. I avoid using the pure vitamin C in the daytime. It is because like in the past 4 years I have tested handful of pure vitamin C, and whenever like I have used the pure vitamin C in the morning skincare routine and even after using generous amount of sunscreen, I have always ended up with red irritated skin, and if I had some acne scar on my face, those acne scar instead of getting lightened, they further got pigmented. And this is not just the case with me. Like some of you out there, they have used vitamin C and they have come to me complaining that actually I used the vitamin C but my acne scar or my skin, instead of getting brighter and lighter, my skin became further pigmented. So that time I have always said them that please shift your vitamin C serum from morning to night skincare routine, and this way like it works best for the people who live in the tropical country where the sun rays are very strong, and secondly like if you have sensitive skin, and thirdly like especially if you have like medium to dark skin, the chances of you getting pigmented with vitamin C in the daytime are very high. And all the claims that you read online, all the research paper that you read online saying that vitamin C is a powerful antioxidant and so you should be using it in the daytime, it will work best with the sunscreen and give all sort of benefit. All those research and testing has been done on Caucasian skin and not on our Indian skin. So now coming back to the minimalist vitamin C serum, like even though this is a derivative, I must say this is quite potent. Like when I use this on my bare skin just to see how it feels and how it works, this vitamin C serum did sting my skin. So this is why I make sure to use it only after my toners and not directly on my skin. And secondly, like I'm unable to use it on a daily basis. Daily usage of this vitamin C is slightly irritating my skin, so this is why I'm using it only 3 times per week in the morning skincare routine, and this way it is working for me. So if you have sensitive skin, I suggest that you start with 3 times per week usage.
And next I use the Innisfree Wrinkle Sign Spot Treatment. This is basically the anti-aging cream for the full face, but it can also be used around eyes, forehead and on your laugh line as well. So I'm using it as the eye cream. And then I use few drops of Minimalist Squalene oil, and this is personally one of my favorite products from the brand Minimalist. I love it because it moisturizes my skin without any stickiness. Secondly, it protects my skin from the UV damage, and thirdly, it adds that healthy glow on my skin. And then I follow up with the Minimalist Cepicam 3% Oat Moisturizer. And this is a really good quality moisturizer at a very affordable price. I love it because it moisturizes my skin without any irritation. Next, I use the Juicy Chemistry Camellia and Red Raspberry Sunscreen with SPF 30 PA++. They have used the zinc oxide in 25% has the UV filter. So this is a 100% physical sunscreen. And since this has a good consolidated texture, so I heated up a little at back of my hand before using it on full face. And while blending, it does leave a very prominent white cast, but after 3-4 minutes of blending process, it sets well with Toner Perfect with slight moist dewy finish. And the another sunscreen that you all can check out is the Innisfree Blueberry Sunscreen. I finished my morning routine with the Juicy Chemistry Blood Orange and Rosehip Lip Balm. I use it for my morning routine because it keeps my lips soft without any stickiness.
So at night, before you put on your expensive skincare products, it is important that you clean your face properly and get rid of all the makeup, sunscreen, dirt and sebum that's trapped in your pore. And it is important to clean because unclean face can lead to breakouts and can also reduce the performance of your skincare products. So to thoroughly clean my face, I prefer the double cleansing method, and lately I have been enjoying the combination of Innisfree Green Tea Cleansing Oil and the Cosrx Low pH Cleanser. So I really like this Innisfree Green Tea Cleansing Oil for many reasons. Number one, it is rich in antioxidants because of the usage of green tea, and secondly, it is free from carrier oil and essential oil. So this will ensure that this oil cleanser doesn't irritate your skin and also doesn't clog your pore. Instead, they have used good numbers of esters and emulsifier to melt away your makeup and sunscreen, and also like using oil cleanser over the conventional makeup wipes to remove makeup has many benefits for your skin. Number one, oil cleanser reduces the friction, tugging and pulling on your skin, and therefore you will have less wrinkles and you can delay the early signs of aging. And secondly, like oil cleanser makes sure that your pores get cleaned properly, so therefore you will have less breakout and you will see less visible pores. And finally, using oil cleanser also gives you like sort of massage on face, and therefore it will give you that glowy healthy skin. And after using the oil based cleanser, I follow up with the water based cleanser, and lately I have been loving the Cosrx Low pH Good Morning Gel Cleanser. Like literally this product needs no introduction, everybody loves this product. I love it because it reduces the frequency of breakout, and secondly it has a low pH. Like I checked the pH of this cleanser at home and I got it exactly 6, which is a good thing because our skin naturally has a pH of around 5.5, and using a low pH cleanser ensures that our skin doesn't get irritated, our skin barrier stays intact, because higher pH cleanser can really badly ruin your skin barrier. And at the aging skin, we really don't want to mess up our skin barrier because matured skin takes ages to heal.
So even at night, I start my routine with the I'm From Rice Toner, and then I move on to the Minimalist Multi-Peptide Serum. And I have been loving this serum so much because consistent usage has reduced some fine lines on my forehead and around my eyes, and it has also improved the moisture retaining ability of my skin and has plumped my skin. And then I use the Innisfree Wrinkle Sign Spot Treatment around my eyes, on my forehead and some around my laugh line. And then I apply the Minimalist Retinoid 2%, and they have used the HPR, which is a very gentle form of retinol and is suitable for the beginners and for the sensitive skin. And at this moment, my goal is to make sure that my skin gets adjusted to the retinol without any irritation. Next, I use the Minimalist Squalene Oil, follow up with the Oat Cream, and then apply my Salvasu Sleeping Mask. And I honestly love this sleeping mask because it is extremely moisturizing but without any stickiness. And next morning, I woke up to a very dewy, soft and bright skin. And if you want some affordable option to this, you can also check out the Cosrx Rice Sleeping Mask. It almost has similar function. Then I use the Laneige Lip Sleeping Mask, and this has been my favorite from years to moisturize my lip and to lighten them. So my retinoid night skincare routine looks something like this.
So every Saturday night I ensure that I exfoliate my skin. Lately I have been using the Minimalist Lactic Acid 10% with Hyaluronic Acid 1%. So lactic acid is a kind of alpha hydroxy acid. It works on the surface to get rid of the dead skin cells, and it is important that you get rid of your dead skin cells because if they are not removed, they can lead to whiteheads, and inflamed whitehead can become acne. And these dead skin cells also make your skin look dull and tired, and they also reduce the absorption of other skincare products and thereby reducing the performance of your entire skincare routine. Like, even though these chemical exfoliators are wonderful thing, they do wonders for your skin, they give you that bright smooth skin, but it is important that you use them only 1 or 2 times per week, and do not use them daily because daily usage will damage your skin.
So this is how my Saturday night skincare routine looks like. And for Sunday, Tuesday, Thursday and Friday, my skincare routine is comparatively simple, and I use peptide as my main serum. And here is a little tip for different skin types on today's skincare routine. Next, I'm going to show you how to fit in the niacinamide in today's skincare routine. You can safely use it with peptide and retinoid, and you can also use it with the lactic acid, but please give the lactic acid sufficient time to sink into your skin. And you can also use the niacinamide daily.
This anti-aging skincare routine that I have shared is best suited for age group of 25 to 35. And secondly, please do not use more than 2 or 3 actives in the same skincare routine. I personally stick to 2 actives in a skincare routine. That works for me. And more than that, I feel you are unnecessarily taking the risk of damaging your skin. And if you liked today's video, do give it a big thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel. And if you have any recommendation or suggestion, leave them in the comment section below, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.